Now students, in this lesson number 10, never quit, we have discussed that we have one situation with the student and the guru. He was asking to the guru that what is the key to success. When the student asked the guru just pointed out his finger to any direction, and that person, that disciple, was following that particular direction. One splat was there, and he was very much afraid, and he was just running back to the guru and asked again, the way you pointed out, it is not correct. And that again Guru replied the same direction, and again when he reached there, again the splat was there, and with the fear and all other problems he came back and he was asking that Guruji, this is not the correct way to pointing out only. You should give the proper direction as well. Now in this case, when we are dealing with the situations, we must be good enough, we must be understanding enough to follow the situations. We must not give up the situations. In this lesson we have discussed all these 3 points. Now, in this, the ability of a person will lead to that particular position. Means, if you are good enough in your work, then definitely you will be proceeding in your life. Second thing, the word which is said by the Winston Churchill is never give up, and never give up. This means we should not lose our hope, and we should not quit the decisions which we have taken. We should always follow the decisions which we want to just follow in our life, and what we want to be in our life. This we have to think about this. Never give up means we should always try to do the work which we want, and we should not think about the situations. If situations are there, then we have to manage ourselves and prepare ourselves regarding the situations. Now, perseverance is necessary because nothing worthwhile can be done without it. Perseverance means we have to follow the situations, and all other necessary conditions to proceed in our life. Now here it is clearly given with the help of 3 small stories which is given on the page number 40. Now here Elvis Presley, we have discussed who was Elvis Presley. He was a singer, but at his first attempt he got the negative response from the users and the audience, and he was fired from the company. The manager of the company said that you are not good enough in singing, you should go and you should drive a truck. Then after, he never lose his passion, and he was trying to follow his passion, and then after he became the greatest singers in his life. Now in the Alexander Graham Bell, he designed the telephone. At the first attempt, nobody was willing to use that telephone. Nobody was even willing to follow the ideas that Graham Bell has given. Now in this case, the American, after the demonstration of telephone, said, amazing invention, but who will buy this? This is very good invention, but nobody needs this. So this was the first reaction about the phone. Now Thomas Edison, he tried 2000 times, and after 2000 times he invented the bulb, and after inventing the bulb, he said that I know that 2000 ways not to design a bulb, and I know that how we can fail in making a bulb. So basically all these are the steps to make a good change in our life. Now, Chester Carlson invented the electrophotography, means the camera which we are using, that is developed by the Carlson in 1940. And at the first attempt, nobody was willing to see the device. So this was a great failure, that he has invented the electrophotography, means camera, and nobody was even showing his interest also. Now in this case, he finally, after 7 years, he struggled with this device for about 7 years, and the Herald company, they have purchased this device. That Herald company, nowadays it is Xerox company. Xerox is a very big company for our Xerox machines. They are making big machines. Now this was the 7-year struggle of the Carlson. Now Wilma Rudolph, she was suffering from so many diseases. Then after, he was prematurely born also. Now when the legs were not working at that time, she was practicing by removing the aluminium bars. After a day-long practice, when she started a rhythmic walk, then the doctors said to her that you have done a great thing in your life, and this is the greatest achievement I have seen, that you can walk now. Now come to the page number 41. This is the last page of this lesson. The Rudolph, she decided to become a runner. She entered a race and came in last. This was the first race of her life. She entered the race and she came at last. Everybody knows why, because she was means not good in walking even, so how she can run. For the next few events, race she entered, she came in last. And this was not only for the first time, this was for the many years. Everyone told her to quit, but she kept on running. She was not good in running, but everybody was saying also, you quit running. And then after, she was practicing. Now she was very good in running. From then onwards, she won every race she entered. Eventually, this little girl who was told she would never walk again went on to win 3 Olympic gold medals in 1960. Now the person who was telling that you are not good enough to walk even, she won 3 Olympic medals in 1960. So this was the greatest achievement for a person who prematurely born, and for the person who was not able to walk even, and she was the Olympic winner. Put perseverance into action. Perseverance means continuously the work which we are doing, that should be continued, and it should be in our actions, not only to think. First, when something starts to bother you, wait as long as you can. This means if any point is disturbing you, then you should wait as long as the solution you are not getting. Means if for every solution, for every problem, you know the solution, you have to think about that only. When something does not work right, try again and again. Means if you are giving exams, if you are not getting good marks, so you have to try again and again. You have to try the questions again and again. You have to study it again and again. Simply don't lose your faith. Don't lose your temper when something upsets you. Means we should not show our anger, we should not show our temper to any other person who is not defining our goals. If our goal is for us, we are thinking about our goal, we are busy about our works, then we should not show our temper to others. Always finish what you start. If you have started any studies, then you should finish it. If you have finishing any work, then finish it completely with good result always. Keep working at something that is difficult until you complete it. If you feel any work is difficult, then you should complete it until it is not completed. Means you should finish the work completely. Don't give up difficult jobs or situations. If you feel any situation is tough, then don't give it up. Don't lose your hope. You have to follow the correct process. Work a little harder or a few minutes longer on the task that you find difficult. If you feel any task is difficult, more work is needed. You should do hard work always. Now at the end it is given, remember the finest steel is sent through the hottest furnace. Means if you are heating irons, it will be iron, but the more heat you are giving means more temperature you are giving, it means you are preparing the steel. So the hottest furnace will give you the more solid steel. Now the winner is not one who never fails, but one who never quits. Winner means not the failure. Winner means not to quit. You have to always think about your target and you have to continuously practice about that. You pass this way in life only once. Let's live the life to the fullest and give it our best. Means life you got only once, so live it fullest and give your best. Now few lines are given at the end of the lessons. It is, when things go wrong as they something will, when the road you are turtling seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debt are high, and you want to smile but you have a sigh, when care is pressing you down a pit, rest if you must, but don't be quit. This means if all the situations are against us, means if something is going wrong in your life, if you want to go forward but roads are not supporting you, if you have less money and debts means borrowings are more, if you want to smile but you can't smile, if you want care from someone but somebody is beating you down, so wait for the correct moment. And waiting does not mean for quitting. Don't quit it, but you can wait. So in this lesson, I am discussing the question and answers which is given on the page number 42. First, true and false, it is given. Perseverance is necessary to do things worthwhile. Number one, this is true, means perseverance we must have in our life and in our behavior to do the good things. So first is true. Second, Elvis Presley first public performance in singing was very impressive. This is false. By his invention of telephone in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell impressed everyone. This is false. At his first invention, nobody was willing to see this invention also. This is false. Then number 4, Thomas Edison invented the electric light bulb in his first attempt. You know this, that he has invented the bulb at 2000 attempts. So this is false. Then a winner is one who never quits easily. This is true. Means winner does not mean winning at the first attempt. Winning means don't lose your attempts. Now second is fill in the blanks. Number 1, perseverance is nothing but persistence. In this you will write T, persistence STEADFASTNE. Steadfastness, patience and tenacity. Steadfastness and tenacity. Question number 2. Elvis Presley did not give up his session for singing. Elvis Presley was, once again I am writing, if it is not visible, once again I am writing PRESISTENCE persistence, STEADFASTNE steadfastness. Second question. Elvis Presley did not give up his session for, Elvis Presley, basically he is a singer. So answer number 2, singing. Number 3, Wilma Rudolph won 3 Olympic gold medals in 1960. Olympic in 1960. Olympic in 1960. When you cannot do a work rightly, try again and again. Try again and again. Do not lose your temper. Do not lose your temper. Do not lose your temper when someone upsets you. When someone upsets you. Now this is complete. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Perseverance overcomes mountain. Illustrate your answer with example. Now I am showing you. This means it is the ability, to hold on,
Sir, some copies are kept in LKG for checking at the back side. One for last seat and then you check it.
hold on to your dream like a bull. like a bull refusing to let go regardless of OBST AC obstacles. Regardless of obstacles. Students, one more thing. All these answers you will get online in PDF form. So you can download it from there also. Now write down this first answer. Now answer number 2. The question is, what was Elvis Presley's first experience as a singer? Now write down. Elvis, P-R-E-S, Presley, the popular singer received a negative response at his first public performance. He was fired by the organizer and told that he was not going to become a singer and advised to go back and drive a truck. This was the first response of the audience to the Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley, the most popular singer, received a negative response at his first public performance. He was fired by the organization and told that he was not going to become a singer and advised to go back and drive a truck. So this was the first public response for Elvis Presley.